Hi friends! Come with me on a remarkable heritage adventure aboard the iconic Afghan Express. Yeah! As I journey through 78-kilometer round trip from Port Augusta to Quorn and back, threading the historic Pitchy Ritchie Pass in South Australia's Flinders Ranges. This trip starts at the Port Augusta railway station. This 39-kilometer narrow gauge line first opened in 1879 as part of the Central Australia Railway, back when this route formed the lifeline north across this continent. Back then it carried the famed Afghan Express, later lovingly shortened to the Ghan. Thanks to dedicated volunteers, the Pitchy Ritchie Railway was reborn in 1973. Since then, it's become a living museum, preserving not just the trains, but the whole experience of outback rail travel. Got little lights and things. Let's see, wash basin.
So this is actually the commissioner's carriage.
Yeah.
Oh.
He was the boss of the railway, so like that.
Right.
This is the one he used to travel.
Woo! Here we go.
No, that's amazing. Thank you. Put that away. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
Wow.
this is the cook in the offsiders compartment and things like that. The kitchen's in
Next
door.
to there,
Yep.
yeah.
In next door, and then actually the main dining room down there. All right.
No,
Thank
lovely.
you so much.
Yes, all good. Thank you.
We'll see you there. Oh, we're moving. Inside are beautifully restored timber-bodied carriages from the 1920s, authentic, charming, and full of character. These vintage rides are hauled by the steam locomotive NM25. As we roll away from Port Augusta, the landscape opens into flat, pale expanses, dry, salt-rich ground that hints at ancient swamps and evaporated lake beds. These shimmering plains transition softly into the rising terrain of the Flinders Ranges ahead.
Incoming.
No, you're right. After nearly 2 hours, we roll into Quorn, a heritage town. Quorn was once the pivotal railway junction linking north-south and east-west routes and was especially busy during World War II when trains carried over 1 million troops northward.
Okay, nice and easy. Give me that phone because you could drop it. I'll run now. Bye. Easy. Use the handrails. Thank you. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay. So enjoy. So please
Yes.
don't be late.
I know.
Here we wandered past heritage spots like the Transcontinental Hotel, the historic railway station, and very delightful cafes. The visitor center at the station also offers maps, museum exhibits, and stories about this railway's golden era. Climbing back aboard, we begin the return journey to Port Augusta. We cross iron bridges, skirt ancient gum trees, and pass old stone culverts built by railway gangs in blistering heat. Watching the steam drift into the blue sky, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe at the engineering feats and the human efforts that made this line possible. As the train whistles through the pass, I remember that this Afghan Express is a tribute to history, to the volunteers who keep these wheels turning, and to the spirit of adventure that built the Outback. Whether you're a railway buff, a history lover, or just someone looking for a unique day out, this journey through time will leave you with lasting memories. Thanks for joining me on this trip. See you next time.